Hi, I'm Lindsay McCoy, co-founder and CEO of Plaine Products. And today we're going to talk about our newest product, Deep Conditioner. We added Deep Conditioner to our lineup when we heard from some of our customers that the regular conditioner was not enough for them. And so we created a new formula, added this, and we've heard from many of you, a lot of you with curly hair, that it is working great. But today, I'm here to share that even people with straighter, finer hair like me, as well as everybody else, can use the Deep Conditioner, and to give you 3 reasons why you should try it. The first one is preventing damage. So every day, between hair dryers, styling tools, color treatments, sun exposures, our hair gets damaged. The Deep Conditioner adds moisture to the hair, penetrating deep into the hair even more than our regular conditioner to help prevent that damage. We use linseed oil, chia seed oil, and avocado oil to bring moisture into your hair and help prevent all of those things from breaking it. Number 2, restoring shine. Thanks to the meadow foam oil in our Deep Conditioner, it can actually smooth and add nutrients to individual hair strands. So if your hair is looking a little dull, it's probably missing some of those essential nutrients that the Deep Conditioner can provide. Number 3, promote elasticity. Hair that has more elasticity is less likely to break. So the murmur butter in our Deep Conditioner can help do that. It restores hydration, moisture, and strengthens the hair so that it is less likely to break and make your hair have a lot of split ends and look messy in day-to-day life. Now, the Deep Conditioner can be used in several different ways. Quick in the shower, like a regular conditioner, or you can leave it in more like a hair treatment, anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes, depending on how much moisture your hair needs, how much damage you have going on. We can't wait to hear what you think about it.